Hello YouTube, welcome to Tech with Alan. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to create a user from computer management and give it administrator rights. Alright, it's fairly simple. So let's go ahead and start with the tutorial. You want to go to the search bar, which is the quickest way, and type computer, and make sure you open computer management as an administrator. So you're gonna run as administrator, and this window is gonna pop up. You're gonna go to the left, you're gonna click on local users and groups, you're gonna hit on the drop down, you're gonna go to users, and then here you're gonna right click in the white space and you're gonna create a new user. I'm gonna call it test for the sake of the tutorial. And we're going to give it a password. If you want the password not to expire, you'd select this. If it's for a user that you do not want the user to have admin rights and to not change the password, then you select this one. In this case, I'm going to create the user as an administrator. So this user is going to have full permission to the computer. I'm going to give a password test, which you don't want to do that in real life. This is just for the sake of the tutorial. Make sure you do a complex password, especially in this DNH. And then you're gonna do create and close. So the test user has been created. Now, how do we give it administrator rights? Simple. You just double click on it. Just go to member of. At this point, he's just member of the users group, okay? Because I created the user as a user. Then you want to hit add, and then you do administrators. You have to do administrators in plural because this is a group, and you want this test user to be a member of this administrators group, okay? So you just check name. This is my computer name, ASUS. Yours is going to be different, obviously. And then hit OK, hit apply, hit OK. And now this user, test user, member of, is an administrator. So if I were to change user here and log in under the other username, the user can do anything in the computer. Can do anything to the computer. All right, I'm gonna stop this thing. Oh, sorry, that was something else. All right, that's it for today. That's how you create an administrator user from computer management. Thank you for watching. If you like the tutorial, please like and subscribe, and for more tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.